Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My video is about removing Ntingarriage.pro pop-ups. Ntingarriage.pro. This is the website that may appear in your browser suddenly and cause many unwanted pop-ups, especially if you click on the Allow button. Because when you click on the Allow button, by mistake, you automatically enable web push notifications. I'll show you how to prevent the attack, how to manually disable these pop-ups from displaying ads in your browser. So supposedly you have clicked on the Allow button and now your browser will be periodically redirecting you to many dangerous websites. You go to Google Chrome settings, you click on Advanced, you go to Site Settings and then to Notifications. Here you will find these websites that are not decent, and you may click here and remove them. Now the problem is fixed, however your system may additionally be infected with some other malicious software. I recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner software using this download link system-tips.net/download-combo-cleaner. It's a great program that may help to fix your Mac and remove all malware from your Mac. It's called Combo Cleaner, and this is the way it looks like after you start it. It works as a disk cleaner, big files finder, duplicates finder, and most importantly it functions as a great antivirus. So scan your computer with this program, Combo Cleaner, to remove other threats that may be available. Please subscribe to my video. Thank you for your attention. Bye.